Okay, I'm not sure what this is. Hi everyone, welcome to My Lady Disdain. If you haven't been here before, I'm Sandy. If you have been here before, well, it was very recently that we uploaded our last video, but I have something fun today. I received my mystery box from Kat at MagicalGirlKitCat Gaming. And if you haven't watched the first video, we're having a little challenge where we are DIYing mystery items from a box that we shared with each other. She's got a box on her channel and that I sent to her, and I've got one right here that I need to open from her. So if you haven't watched the first videos, go back and watch those. But here is my mystery box from Kat. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, and we're going to take a look together at what's in the box. So I'm really, really excited. She taped it up really good. Now, before we get into this box, I just wanted to recap a few things. We didn't watch our first videos of each other, and we're not watching this video either because we decided that we might talk about ideas that we had about what we might do. So for this second video, it's just going to be kind of us looking at what's in this box, and I'm going to be kind of throwing out some ideas for what I think of what's in the box. And then for the third video, we'll do some construction and maybe react to each other's video. The other thing to go over is the rules, and because I didn't really do a good recap of them last time, but what we decided for our loose set of rules is we are to try and use everything in the box, but we're basically getting points for using each item in the box. It doesn't have to be apparel, it can be props, things like that, and it can be more than one item for Smart Doll. And also we get to do one cosmetic upgrade, so if something is a wrong color or something, we can actually change the color by painting it, etc. We are allowed to use anything that we need to actually construct the items, like construct the project, like glue, thread, buttons, tape, snaps, anything like that that creates construction. And what else was there? Oh, we can use 3 of our own items. Fabric, as like each type of fabric is an item, but we can use 3 things of our own in the project. And I think that's all the rules. So let's get to opening the box. Okay, well, she's already spoken to my heart because she put in lots of beautiful flowers, which I will have a lot of fun with. Flowers are very much me. Okay, so we've got some really pretty flowers. Oh, they go with the background. And there's some lighter pink ones. And then there's some blue in here and some green. So all basically the same type of flower, but different colors, which I will have a lot of fun with. Oh, this is cute. This little button is really neat. It's just a little flower. Kind of hard to see. It's just like a Barbie pink flower. It's a button. Let's see what else we've got here. There's a bunch of buttons in here, and okay, I'm not sure what this is. It's like a coil. I feel like I should know what this is, but I don't.
It's a clip for a pen.
Is it?
I think so.
Oh, like it goes around the outside of a pen and oh,
That's
okay.
my best guess.
That's kind of what it looks like. All right, that'll be fun. It kind of looks like an antenna. We will play with that. Maybe it'll end up a piece of jewelry or something. And then she gave me a handful of sort of like different terracotta buttons. Let's see if I can get any of these in front of the camera. It's got a little bit of a facet to it. And then there's a peach one here. It almost looks white, but it's actually peach. And then just there's 4 more buttons of a similar style. And then she gave me one big sort of off-white button. Oh, this is cute. This is another little button, little shank button with a flower. This is a little red flower button. Okay, so we have a lot of flowers going on here and some natural toned buttons and an antenna. I don't know, I'm getting kind of some flower fairy vibes right now. We'll have to see what else is in the box. Let's see. Okay, so this piece of paper was in here. This is it's mermaid unicorns with different different little things in their hair, shells and crabs and octopi and stuff. So little mercorns, very cute. I want to say 4x6. And let's see what else we have here. Okay, so we have a piece of really pretty mustard yellow rib knit. We like that. Rib knits are fun. Let's see what else we have. We have, I wonder if she did this. Cat has been tie-dyeing things. This has got some kind of a design on it. I'm not sure what it's actually supposed to be. Is it a neck gaiter or something? I don't know, but it's a tube. It may be a sleeve that was on something. I'm not sure. I don't know what this symbol is. But it's all of a tie-dye kind of color. So I think my fairy vibes are still sticking. I mean, I could go for just a hippie theme, but right now I'm feeling fairy. Let's see what else we've got here. Oh, there's a couple of these. She did fun like with this. This is, oh good. She gave me a whole bunch of feathers and they're a good size. So we've got some more like marabou style feathers, very fluffy, and then a couple of sharper feathers that have some aqua blue in them. They're really showing up nicely in the lights in here. If I just look, when I'm just looking at them directly, they look more black, but I can see in these lights that there's actually a lot of iridescence to them, which is cool. She included a unicorn sock. Oh, some more feathers. She put a bunch of them in here, so we got some more of those feathers. Oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, I like this. This is cool. There's a lot of really neat braids and bead strands on here. So we've got like orange and yellow and blue, and then this cool metal strand of beads, metal ball beads, and then this is like wood and sort of a turquoisey bead all hooked together. So I could leave this like this, or I could repurpose the beads in some way, maybe in their hair or something. Now this could be fairy, but this is actually really giving me like 1960s vibes, I think. Oh, more feathers. Oh, there's a whole bag of them in here. Some of them must have come out. Okay, so we've got a lot of feathers. Okay, that's leaning me back towards some sort of fairy spirit type thing, because there's so many feathers to use. I'll have to figure that one out. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Should I go 1960s? Should I go with a fairy thing? Should I do both? Probably could do both. I have 4 smart dolls. Oh, she gave me a little unicorn. That's so cute. It's a little, does his head come off? You can see where his head is put in there, but I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a little plug where his head goes on, but he is so cute. Oh, he's angry. He's an angry unicorn. You can't really see his little angry face. Oh, there it is. There's his eyes. You can see his little angry eyes. He's so cute. I like him. This says, okay, so she's telling me what my my inspiration items are. Now, the inspiration items we agreed to include and like denote what they were, and then so that we would know, but we can also use them in the project. So she says, "Hi Sandy, thanks again for reaching out to Collab and for coming up with such a fun idea. I included 2 inspiration items. Number 1 is the origami paper, which was that unicorn paper. Let me see if I can get it out. So the origami paper and the little unicorn figurine. You are fabulous, Cat. Cat, you are fabulous too. So at the end of all of this, when you watch this, I want you to know that I am having a blast with this project and we are going to have so much fun. Okay, that's... Oh, wait, did I miss a piece of fabric? I think I did. Yes, I pulled this out and didn't do anything with it. So we have more of a space-themed piece of fabric. Okay, so we have both of these for fabric. We have this yellow, and we have the unicorn sock, and then we have various other items. This is going to be fun. I think I've got some good ideas already. Yeah, this is really this is kind of intriguing me. I'm excited to do something with this, but I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. I wish the coil were a little bigger because it would make a really cool like arm thing. But
You can make it bigger.
I said, yeah, I can possibly bend it out. Yeah, it looks like I can.
Get a pliers in there and start turning.
Yeah, I think we possibly can actually make this bigger. We'll see. Yeah, I can actually open it out straight if I want to, or mostly straight. Okay, so I'm very excited. Love the little flowers. These are so pretty. This color is awesome. She did a good job picking a bunch of things that go together. Okay, so that was it for my box from MagicalGirlKitCat Gaming. And if you haven't watched her video opening my box yet, make sure you go over and do that. The link will be, I don't know, it's going to be either be on the screen or in the description or both. But make sure you get over there and check out her channel so that you can follow what's going on in the future as well. And thanks for tuning in, and we will see you soon. Thanks, bye. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to be notified when I post new videos.